This is why you need to know about 3D bioprinting. It's changing healthcare forever. Imagine a world where you can print living tissue, like skin, organs, or even bones. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But it's real, and it's happening now. 3D bioprinting uses special bioinks made from living cells. These printers layer the cells precisely to create complex structures. Think of it like building a Lego set, but with cells. Why is this a game changer? It can create personalized organs for transplant, reducing the risk of rejection. Plus, it speeds up drug testing by using printed tissues instead of animal models. And the best part? It's making healthcare more accessible and personalized. Imagine walking into a hospital and getting a custom-made organ on demand. So next time you hear about 3D printing, remember it's not just for plastic toys. It's the future of medicine. Stay curious, tech enthusiasts, and keep exploring the wonders of science.